recording.
It disappeared.
So when is there, you start to record, it disappear, don't worry.
All
It
right.
will be disappear after a while.
Oh, does it? All right.
And your first name, how you want to call you, Mrs. Sarma or your first name? Any which one you choose, like because some people Sangeeta, yes? Sangeeta, this book is your, and this is your new Respect Tomorrow's book. Okay, and so everyone sign on here. I think you need to sign here. This is the last one we for the person, yes? Right. First of all, today, because Julie Foss is the model, well-woman model last week, yeah? And she had got about 92 and half marks, yes? 90 or half marks, and the pass mark of this paper is 75. If somebody got less than 75, they will be fair. But she got it 90 and half. Yeah. And today we will be giving her, so after the cough is not coming, so only the cough is, so the higher, you will indicate it, and we have got a specific timetable. We need to be finish these things, and that was specific 1 hour. And if we not finished, then we wouldn't have got any other time to recover. So it's mentioned like last week is one, because this is the law of similar. Treat like with like. You need to be 100% matching the things, with the patient, with the remedy. Then you can see the straight away result, and sometimes you will see like within 10-15 minutes, very chronic asthma, very chronic cough, and it will be settled down within 10-15 minutes if you give the right one. More you give the right accurate remedy, more quick as will be the response you will get from the patients. So that's why we start from these, that you should know the differentiate between the remedies, so it will be able to prescribe the right remedies on the right time. Yeah. So remedy we call as bryonia, and the other remedy is patila. What is it? Both corresponds breathing, right? But breathing, we know like breathing can be asthma, or it will be COPD, shortness of breath, yes, or and we are breathing very fast, we are breathing very less. So as the taking oxygen and bring out carbon dioxide, if something is going wrong with that patterns, so we are not breathing properly. If we're not breathing properly, then it will bring symptoms and issues. Yes, we can be suffocated, we can be panicked, we can be pain, that type of things. And so it's also called respiration, breathing. So both of them is very good with the breathing. Normally, we should breathe within a minute. Normal, the reading is like between 12 to 20 in a minute. If you 12 to 20, breathe in and out, 1 minute, this is normal breath. But some people will be breathe less than 12 in a minute, and some will be breathe more than 20. So both of them is like some kind of shows underlying lungs problems. Yes. So this is, but bryonia works for least. Yes. Something is there, so.
Not this one, this one.
Yes, okay. Right. So, but bryonia works for least attempt to breath, while patella on deep inspiration only, right? So, one is worse when is suppose somebody has got any kind of lungs problems, which is like here they are giving the clue. Then as for you can use for the asthma, you can use for just general any bronchitis or any cough or any kind of COPD, whatever problem they have got at the patients. Don't go for the reason, but what you are looking for breathing. So how do they breathe easily? As the patient says, oh, I can't take breath. You say, why? You say, oh, as soon as I breathe, slight breathe, it's make me feel like feel pain, or I feel like I'm panic. I will be feel very tired. Whatever symptom is it, but as soon as slight breathe, so as worse their symptoms, so you need to give bryonia. Yes. The other patient, patella, they are also with worse with the breathing, but they only worse when they take a deep breath. Yes. Brisca patella on deep inspiration only. when they do like that, they got chest pain, and they feel panic, they feel pain, they feel pressure, they got some kind of symptoms with the deep breathing. So you need to give patila. But if they say, even I'm slight breathing and still I feel pain, so the brahmana is the right remedy. So you differentiate breathing, but one is slight breathing is brahmana and deep breathe with patila. Simple as that. So these are the 2 points. And that you can put in any kind of case. Yeah? Either as asthma case, either as hay fever, either as a cough, either as a whooping cough, either as a bronchial problems, yes, pneumonia, any kind of problems. You, if they present these things, so you need to be give brahmana. Yeah, if the slight breathing is worse, or give patila if they are deep breathers, make them worse. Yeah. The next one, Elan Sipa, this is another remedy, and we are comparing this remedy to pulsatilla. So what they are saying, they say both have worse and room and better and open air. So we have got one symptoms, Elan Sipa and pulsatilla, their patient is better outdoor, yes, better and open air, and worse indoor, like in room. So again, you can fit this one if they've got flu, and they say, my nose is running when I'm indoor, and as soon as I go out with the fresh air, the nose is blocked, the nose is not running. Somebody who got asthma, breathing difficulties, and they say, I feel my asthma is much better, I can breathe more better in the open air. I'm craving for open air, but if it's suffocated, if the room is very close, or there's no air, fresh air, so I feel like my nose is blocked, I've got a running nose, or I can't breathe. So that type of symptoms, whatever symptoms they are present about the respiratory, but if they feel better with open air, so the Elan Sepia and pulsatilla should come in your mind, yes? And if they feel worse in the inside, indoor, and better with the outdoor, so these 2 remedies should be come in your mind. Doesn't matter what kind of problem they have got it. Yes, hay fever, asthma, flu, cold, lungs, other problems, pneumonia, bronchitis. Yeah. But the other differential, as I told you, that there is always will be bird. But Elan Sepia discharge is thin and excruating, while pulsatilla discharge is thick and bland. Excruating is like very, very sharp. When they are cutting, like when they're coming, the water is coming, it can burn your nostril, it can burn your lips. Very acidic type of. Excruating means acidic type of fluid is coming. Yes, and it's very like watery discharge, but very burning. When it's touched in the skin, it's feel very acidic and burn the skin. So it's called excruating. But the pulsatilla is very thick. You can see sometimes the people, they got thick mucus. They got cold flu in the nose and this part, inside in the throat. Yes? So belladonna more in the fuses. Fuses means the upper part of the mouth. That's called fuses. Yes? So throat, we know throat is this part, and fuses as the mouth, inside the mouth. Talu. Yeah, talu. Talu. While phosphorus more and bronchi. Bronchi means the lungs, right? So this is the picture of the lungs. Yes. So this is like throat bit. Here is the futus, and this is for the bronchi, is for the lungs area. So here you got 3 remedies. One, you got Rumix. Second, you got belladonna, and third, you got phosphorus, right? So irritation, you will see a lot of people, they say, oh, I got tinglish, and when they cough, before that, the irritation is occur. So if the person say, I got irritation in my throat and my mouth, and due to that I'm coughing, so you need to give to them belladonna. If somebody say, I got irritation in here, when